Hi, my name is Ng Qi Yuan, a Taylor's University Semester 4 Chemical Engineering student. I am the leader of this project, EasyRAM. The team consists of 4 chemical engineering students, including me, myself, and 1 mechanical engineering student. From daily observation, we found that people who walk to school or working place face one common issue. When walking in raining weather condition, not only their clothes is wet, but also their backpack. The rain causes the content inside the bag spoil, especially gadgets and important documents, such as birth certificate, check, and your resume. This project is aimed to produce a solution to prevent this from happening. Actually, there is a pretty good and effective solution for this issue in the market right now, which is a waterproof bag. However, it is way too expensive and is very bulky, heavyweight compared to normal backpack, and most importantly, not suitable for daily usage. In order to have more understanding of this issue, the team tested it out by using their normal backpack and works in open space car park in raining weather. We found that rain can cause the content of the backpack soak wet even the user is using an umbrella. This is due to the umbrella is not enough big to cover both your body and backpack. Our target is to create an extremely convenient bag wrap where it is more lightweight and at the same time cheap. Right now, let's move into the first phase, initiating phase. This phase tells us what to start and what is going to happen in the early stage. Before the project starts, work breakdown structure, as known as WBS, is done to indicate the progress of the project. The project scope statement for this project is set by using SMART. S is for specific. We are planning to solve backpacks getting soaked and the contents spoil issue. M is for measurable. The cost of this innovative water-resistant bag cover should not exceed 2 ringgit per piece. A is for achievable. Achieving by carry out some functional tests to ensure the product perform its function. R is for realistic. A few samples will be produced and send it to all the team members for a real scenario testing. Feedback given by them will be recorded. Based on all those feedback, some improvements will be made. T is for time scale. The projects need to be done within the 10 weeks time. We also done some project analysis, including complexity assessment. The business complexity worksheet is here. As you can see, the overall business complexity rating is 2.05. The technical complexity worksheet is stated here. The overall technical complexity rating is 1.57. From the business complexity rating and technical complexity rating, it can be known that the project is on medium business complexity zone. After initiating phase, the next phase will be planning phase. The details of the project will be given in this phase. First, cost estimation diagram is done to evaluate how much total cost is needed for this project. Next is the Gantt chart for this project. Gantt chart can tell us what we need to do for these 14 weeks. The duration for each task is also shown in this chart. This can further let all the members know when the tasks need to start and to be done. Linear responsibility chart is used to allocate and distribute tasks evenly and as well effectively to all the team members. This can also help us to aware on the task distributed to us. As mentioned in initiating phase, there is a work breakdown structure. From the diagram, you can see the project is divided into 4 parts, which is understand the challenge, observe the challenge, ideation of the challenge, and create prototype to solve the challenge. In the understand the challenge phase, we need to analyze the challenge of pedestrian face when it's raining and identify the challenge statement. Background research is also done in this phase. The second, observe the challenge. We need to put ourselves in their shoes, where we need to try using backpacks in raining weather. Some survey question is also created for the pedestrian to study what is the effect of the challenge. Third, ideation of the challenge. We need to generate solution by using brainstorming technique. The design of the product is also done, and material is also chosen in this phase. Fourth, create prototype to solve the challenge. Various type of testing is done in this phase, which is water resistant test, elongation test, and real scenario testing. The third phase will be executing phase. In this phase, the team follow the Gantt chart and linear responsibility chart. There is a team meeting for each week, which is on Monday, to discuss on what we have done in the previous week and as well anything that can be improved. The fourth phase will be monitoring phase. What we have done for this phase is to test whether the solution works. In this project, water resistant test is the key. Now, let's watch a video where we testing the small scale prototype in water resistant test. Prototype is used to prove the concept of the project. The material of product which we got from the factory as sample. We try our best to get as much different type of latex as possible, but unfortunately we can only get 3 types, which is EVA, NBR, and SBR latex. At first, latex sheet of 3 different kind of latex is produced for testing purpose. Latex sheet is formed by using stainless steel tray as mold, but we found that the latex sheet is difficult to separate from the mold. We try a lot of methods such as put flour on the surface of the mold or lubricant on the surface, but it failed. After that, we found that wax paper can make the sheets easily pull out from the mold. Then we apply the wax paper on the mold. The left picture shows latex sheets made of NBR latex. Medium is from EVA latex and the right one is from SBR latex. After testing, the team found that SBR latex is the most durable and elastic, but it is not the lightest. After discussing among the members, we decided to use SBR as the material of the final product. Final product is a cylindrical shaped latex sheet. We try a lot of method to mold it into a cylindrical shape, but all fail due to the shape is not perfect and the surface is not smooth enough. Then we try to mold it in small scales on the most basic things in the lab, the beaker. It works. So we use the biggest beaker in the lab to mold the final product. So here it is, the EasyWrap. For the project achievement, the average cost of each EasyWrap is calculated and is equal to 1 ringgit. Thanks to the elasticity of the latex, which it can elongate for more than twice of its original length. By using this characteristic, the volume of the product can be reduced to half which further increased the portability. In order to prove that the solution is working, the prototype is stuffed in some dried clothes and put to undergo rainy weather. The dried clothes is then taken out, and we found that the dried clothes remain dry, so it proved the solution is working. My role as a leader, my role is budget control and task distribution. I need to always make sure the project is on time and is in budget. For task distribution, it is important to distribute tasks to the team members according to the strength of all the members. As a chemical engineer in the team, my role is to choose the best and the most suitable material. As we all know, there's many different kinds of latex in the market, such as EVA, natural latex, NBR, and SBR latex. Since the safety of product is our priority, it is needed to research on all the MSDS data for all kinds of latex to ensure there is no or less risk, such as health risk and fire hazard. Not only research in material, the volume of the wrap required to cover the backpack is also needed to be calculated to ensure the wrap can fit to the bag perfectly. As for testing part, my role is to assist on my team member to test the product in a few sectors, which is water resistant, durability, and maximum elongation of the product. Teamwork, which plays a huge role in group project. Without the team, this project is not gonna to be success. For this project, the team works really hard. We even sacrifice our weekend to try finish our project as early as possible. Even though sometimes there is some argument or different opinion among team members, we manage to go through it by having some good conversation and opinion exchange. As from the meetings, all the members are present in the meetings, which shows that we all have the determination on solving this challenge. Thank you very much for listening.